Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue that says that this device is waiting on another device to start. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I'd actually recommend doing would be to just restart your computer, do a simple restart, and then try and run the application again, see if that has resolved the problem, which in most cases it should. A further thing you can try here would be to run the hardware troubleshooting utility. So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. Starts with msdt.exe. Go ahead and copy that, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter the keyboard to run this command. Select next. That was just a shortcut of otherwise going through the control panel and then additional troubleshooters, so we just kind of sped up the process here a little bit. Okay, so in the traditional nature of troubleshooting utilities, it says that an unexpected error has occurred. The troubleshooting wizard cannot continue. Well, that's great. So we can view the error details, not that it really does anything for us. I probably have made a tutorial about that error code some point in the past, but generally speaking, you guys should hopefully be good at this point. You can do a system restore too if that hasn't worked, but generally speaking, this tutorial should be pretty straightforward. Just restart your computer and that should really resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.